Okay, and that is the professional way to cut these tiles so that the cut is very, very neat. As we can see, is a very neat cut and very, very straight. This is like one of the most perfect cuts. But you see, the professional has to do this. Comment est-ce que ce n'est pas cassé? Comment vous le faites? Oh là là! Comment? Vous n'avez pas fait ça la fois dernière.
Oui, mais la fois dernière, j'avais peut-être la carrelette.
Oh!
Un plat.
Ok. Bon, ça a marché.
Ah oui, ça a marché.
Et est-ce que regarde, look how smooth this edge is very oh, no, it's not. Yes, it is smooth. This is just the dust. Yeah. Oh, very nice. So these are just dust particles, and anyway, the surface is rugged, so you're going to have a little bit of imperfections on the side, but for the most part, it's rectilinear and it's straight. And oh la la! Oh la 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 la! Pourquoi vous faites ça? C'était pour le faire plus droit?
Non,
okay.
Pour l'affiner un petit peu.
Oh, see, he made it very, very straight. Look at this. This is like a very, very nice cut. We cannot get any better than this when you're trying to cut them. Anyway, there's going to be grout slightly in between the two, but I'm also as pickier than he is. And you know what? The neighbors just love this noise, right? I mean, it's a lovely noise, in the neighborhood. So, yeah, and as you can tell, the house is, it's a cinder block house, okay? So it's all cement. There's absolutely no wood in the construction of this house whatsoever. And these are the support beams. Oh! Il le refait! Okay, he's doing it again. Now, actually, he should be wearing an N95 mask, and he also should be wearing even actually total facial protection. But since he's wearing glasses and he's a professional at doing this, he's been doing this, so he's a bit skimping on the safety, but I would think to wear a mask when doing this sort of work. Et je leur ai dit que tu devrais être en train de porter un masque FFP2 contre la poussière, mais que tu refuses de le faire. Vous refusez de le faire. Oh, so he refused to do it. That's okay, but that is, but this is, we have to follow safety, safety first. These are the support beams of the house. This house is all in cement and cinder block. There is no wood in the construction, absolutely no wood in the support structure of the house, in the structural elements of the house. All right, on to phase, whatever the next phase is going to be.